Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on a vintage 70s or 80s Tissot Seastar Quartz watch. So this is a very special and interesting movement. It wasn't produced for a lot of time, and you have a very special feature when it comes to setting the time and date. So we have the crown right here, and if I pull the crown all the way in order to set the time, you'll be able to see that you can only rotate the hour hand. So this helps you in two ways. First of all, you can adjust the hours very easily, and also it is very easy to adjust the date this way, so you can go past 12 very easily in order to do that. You can also go backwards, and the date will also go backwards. This is a feature that is very uncommon when it comes to quartz watches or mechanical watches. So this is how you set the hour. After you have set the hour, so let's say it is 12 now, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. And in order to set the minutes, we are going to press. So we are going to press the crown for 5 seconds until the seconds hand stops. Then I'm going to release and press right away. And this way you can see that the seconds hand is going to rotate, so minute by minute. And also the minute hand is going to be adjusted. Now the hour hand will also adjust accordingly, so you don't have to worry about that. When you set the hours, it will simply add an hour. As you can see, it gets closer and closer to 1 o'clock. So when I'm going to reach 12 with the minute hand, you are going to see that the hour hand will be at 1 o'clock. And that is how you set the time and date on your Tissot Seastar watch. So this is a very interesting model. After you have set the time, you simply release the crown, and that is going to work. So you might try to press and hold the crown in order to speed scroll the seconds hand, but it won't work. So you need to release and quick press once again in order to be able to adjust the minutes. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I believe that this is going to be something new for many of you, because this was something quite interesting for me as well. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.